Okay, like the title says, this is just a quick video on how to hack your deep conditioning treatment. So you're going to start with the deep conditioning treatment of your choice. I'm using Shea Moisture's Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. So this one I like because it's very thick and it leaves a lot of slip. But you can use whatever deep conditioning you have on hand. Okay, so we're going to add 2 ingredients to this deep conditioning mask: olive oil and avocado oil. A quick note, the olive oil I'm using is the only one I had on hand, but you may want to use a cheaper version since it's going in your hair. So I'm just mixing all the ingredients together, making sure it's very light and fluffy, and then I'm going to add that to my hair. Whenever I deep condition, I always deep condition under a hair dryer. So I always add a plastic bag, on my hair, and then I sit underneath the dryer for 30 minutes. After that, I'll rinse it out and then I'll continue styling. And that's it. Just a 2 ingredient, simple hair hack for whenever you want to deep condition. Thank you guys for watching.